Hi everyone, this is Dr. Liz. I'm here today to talk to you about how our students and children with different abilities can again participate in everyday routines. So one of the things that our students can certainly do is participate in the laundry. And there's a lot of steps, and we're just going to go over a really simple one that's very easy for a lot of students. I'm going to talk a little bit about dials. This is a very simple machine, and it's very easy for students of all different levels to be able to learn to set. There are other ways that you can modify the machine and the dials. If you know, you can either preset them, so if you want to do a large load, you can always have that preset at large, warm cold or cold cold, whatever you need. And then the only thing the student would have to worry about was spinning the dial. The other thing you can do is make a little color tab or an arrow with a piece of duct tape that's colored so that the student would know where to set the dials if they needed to for their laundry settings. So for today, we're just going to do a quick review of, I have to turn this one, and we're just going to do a quick review of putting the laundry in. So many of our students are certainly able to lift the laundry top. I tend to like to push the button and get the water started first, so a lot of our students can push the button. We know they can use iPads, so we know that that finger is ready to go. Push the button. So once you push the button, I'm going to turn that off just for sound purposes. You can have them pour the laundry detergent in. Now we know that we've worked on pouring in another video, so we know that we can continue to work on tipping and pouring like we have with the cups in the sink in another video that I have online. So once they've poured and they have opened the top and pushed the button to get the water started, they can just proceed to lift items out of the laundry basket and place them into the washer. So this motion right here, most of our students can do if this works on grasp. This also works on ability to stay on task. And many of our students, we can allow for a little bit of proximity, meaning allowing ourselves to step back from the task and allowing our child or student to do something more independently. So maybe they can start out with just putting 5 items in on their own. And we've talked in previous videos about starting by giving those verbal prompts. So, put the laundry in, or put in, and then fading those back to see if the student or child will continue that motion to continue to place the laundry into the machine. So that's another great way to have your student participate in the daily routines and be an active participant in your household. Thanks so much.